Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, it is still strawberry season, and one thing I love me is a nice good strawberry cobbler. So I got me some strawberries and a few other ingredients together. This thing takes no time at all to come together. So we're gonna jump into this video and I'm gonna show you exactly how I get this strawberry cobbler done. Alrighty guys, so here's my ingredients I'm going to be using here. Not all of it. I'll have the full list of ingredients and the recipe in the description of the video. I got me some strawberries here that I just soaked in some water and baking soda, gave them a good clean. Then I put it in my freezer bag and in the freezer until I was ready to use it. And I'll just cut the ends off and cut them into slices. Then I'm going to be using some of this Simply lemonade right here with strawberry. That's going to give it a little extra oomph, so to speak. I'm going to make sure I have enough juice inside of here. I like that juice, guys. So I got my strawberries in my bowl and that's a half cup of granulated sugar. I did add some vanilla extract. That clip got cut. And I'm adding here a total of 1 cup of that lemonade. Then I'm going to add some cinnamon. You can add as little or as much of the cinnamon as you would like. I don't have an exact measurement for it. Then I'll just come in here and give this a good mix. Alright, and we're just going to let that hang out for a little while. Let all of those flavors come together. If I ever stop mixing, sometimes I overdo it with the mixing. Alright, and once we have that mixed, we're going to come and get our batter together for this. I do an old school cobbler. I don't do the pie crust method that some people do. I like to keep it old school. This is going to be 2 cups of self-rising flour and 2 cups of whole milk. Now just get that mixed together until it looks nice and smooth, just like this. Should be nice and loose. And then all I'm going to do is add this to my baking pan here, which has 1 stick of unsalted melted butter in it. Remember guys, I'm trying to keep track of the ingredients. It'll be in the description of the video for you. Alright, and once I get all of this side of my pan, you do not have to mix this together guys. I'm just going to kind of tilt my pan here to level it off. But you do not have to come in there and mix that together. Just leave it just like that. Alright, then we'll get this out of the way here. We're going to come back in with our strawberries and we're going to get those down on the top. I'm just going to lay them down on the top just like this. Do not mix it together guys, just lay it in here just like that all over the top of this batter mixture right here. This was the perfect amount of strawberries. I wish I did add a little bit more of that lemonade to it to give it a little bit more juice at the end, but it still turned out really good. Alright, once I get all of those berries down inside of there, I'm gonna pour all of that liquid inside of here because I want that juice guys. That's one of the best parts to me. Not the best part. The best part to me is that crust. But I love that extra juice inside of there also. Alright, so we get all of that in. Took me longer than I wanted to. You see all of that nice juice down in there. Just pour that all over the top. Alright, Once we get that all over the top, this is ready to go in the oven, guys. This is going to go in the oven, covered, not covered, uncovered. This is going to go in the oven, uncovered, 350. It's going to take this anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. And after that, this is what we have right here in absolutely beautiful strawberry cobbler. This is after I let it cool for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and take my thumbnails, videos, plate this up, and then I'll give it a taste test for you guys. Nice, good dessert. Nice, good strawberry cobbler. Alright, guys, coming in with a quick taste test. Got my nice, good strawberry cobbler here. See, I got a little ice cream on the top. You're not going to waste any time. I want some of that crust and some of that ice cream right off of the top. I can get down in there. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Come on out of there. It's the strawberry right here too. Like that. That crust has a little crispiness to it. Inside nice and soft and tender. Look at how I got it soaked up in that juice there. Still hot. I like when that ice cream get down in there like that. That's some good eating, boy. That's some good eating. Get another piece of that crust. Piece of that ice cream. Look at that bite. That's a good bite, huh? That's heaven. Oh, that's good. Alrighty, guys, so that is it for our strawberry cobbler dessert right here. Nice little ice cream on the top. This thing is absolutely delicious. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And also please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Just take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a great weekend, guys.